Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This is about criminal court statistics. Plenty of data in this one. Lots and lots of different horrendous files. Let's have a look at one of the files actually. I don't normally do this, but I think it's worth pointing out when it's really bad. The Word one, didn't mean to do that one. Let's try the ODS one. As you can see, the layout's not too bad actually, but there is an awful lot of sheets across an awful lot of tables. So let's have a look in Snowflake. So we've got data going back to March 2010. So far there is 22 million rows of data across lots of tables. Let's have a look at the data itself. Criminal court, here we go. So I'll just look at a couple because there's too many here. Magistrates received disposal, let's say disposed of outstanding. And you've got various data here, you see that? Magistrates time. Again, geography areas, different measures, values. Plea count. Geography areas, lots of subcategories there. Measures, timeliness, what's that one? Geography area again, different types of cases and offence groups and measures, and then the measures, and there's plenty more. There's a link in the description which will give you 30 days free access to this and the thousands of other open data sets. Just follow that and have a play for 30 days. Thanks.